Every day, your customers are messaging you on WhatsApp, asking questions, placing orders, booking appointments, but you're drowning in messages, missing leads, and losing sales. What if there was a smarter way? Meet Easy Bizcast, your all in one WhatsApp business automation platform. If you're a small business owner, whether you run a salon, a restaurant, a retail store, or a real estate agency, you know the struggle. Manually replying to hundreds of messages, forgetting to follow up, losing track of who said what. It's costing you time, money, and customers. Let me show you how Easy Bizcast changes everything. When you log in, you land on your dashboard, your command center. At a glance, you see your total contacts, messages sent, active broadcasts, and weekly trends. You'll also see your usage stats and plan details, so you always know exactly where you stand. The smart inbox is where the magic happens. Think of it like Gmail, but for WhatsApp. All your customer conversations in one place. Searchable, organized, and real time. Star important chats, see unread counts, and even send images and media directly. And with quick reply templates, you can respond to common questions in seconds using keyboard shortcuts. No more typing the same message over and over. Your contacts aren't just phone numbers and ID, they're relationships. The Contact CRM lets you add, import, and organize contacts with tags, notes, and opt in tracking. Need to find everyone tagged VIP? Search and filter instantly. You can even bulk import contacts from a CSV file and export them anytime. Now, here's where it gets really powerful. The Visual Chatbot Builder lets you create automated conversation flows with zero code. Drag and drop message nodes, add conditional logic with if then branches, create interactive button menus, and even plug in AI powered replies using Gemini to handle complex questions automatically. Choose from ready made templates for customer support, lead capture, appointment booking, and more, or build your own from scratch. Want to reach thousands of customers at once? Broadcast campaigns let you send personalized messages to your entire contact list or specific segments. Add images, carousels, call to action buttons, and links. Schedule your broadcasts for the perfect time and track performance with real time analytics. Delivery rates, read receipts, clicks, and replies, all in a beautiful chart. Easy Bizcast isn't just for solo entrepreneurs. Invite your team with role levels of admin and agent. Everyone works from the same inbox, so no message ever falls through the cracks. Perfect for growing businesses that need multiple people handling customer conversations. Setup takes minutes, not hours. Connect your WhatsApp Business API in the settings page, configure business hours with automatic after-hours replies, set up webhook integrations, and manage your data with full export capabilities. Plus, built-in US compliance tools handle opt-in management, so you stay on the right side of regulations. We've also packed in free tools to help you grow. Generate QR codes that link directly to your WhatsApp, create click-to-chat links for your website and social media, and use the AI message generator to craft professional templates for promotions, follow-ups, and announcements, all powered by AI. Start for free with up to 100 contacts and 100 messages. When you're ready to scale, upgrade to the starter plan for unlimited contacts, 1000 messages per day, AI credits, team collaboration, broadcast campaigns, and priority support. Easy Bizcast grows with your business. Stop losing customers to slow replies. Start automating with Easy Bizcast today. Sign up free, no credit card required.